Have you ever wondered if you can still enjoy chips while following a keto diet? If you're like many of us who love that satisfying crunch, you might be feeling a bit lost. Chips have long been our go-to snack, whether for movie nights at home or grabbing something quick on the go. But how do they fit into a low-carb lifestyle? Let's dive into the reality of snacking on chips when you're on keto. Most traditional chips, including those made from potatoes or corn, are brimming with carbohydrates that can upset your state of ketosis in just a few bites. For many who are committed to the keto way of life, potato chips can present a substantial challenge. A single serving, which is roughly 1 ounce, can pack 15 to 20 grams of net carbs. That's a significant amount considering your daily carb limit on a strict keto plan is often much lower. Eating just 1 serving of those crunchy snacks can result in a spike in blood sugar, swiftly knocking you out of ketosis and triggering cravings you've worked hard to overcome. Now let's take a closer look at the carb content of some traditional options. A typical serving of potato chips, as we mentioned, can deliver a hefty dose of carbs, enough to easily exceed your daily limit. Tortilla chips aren't much different, and the same applies to many other common chip options. This high carbohydrate content is precisely why they aren't aligned with a keto-friendly diet. Don't worry though, there's a silver lining. You can still enjoy that beloved crunch with several delicious low-carb alternatives. Let's explore some keto-friendly chip options that won't sabotage your diet. First up, we have cheese crisps. These cheesy delights are made by simply baking or microwaving small mounds of shredded cheese until they become crispy. The best part? They contain virtually 0 carbs depending on the type of cheese you choose. Next on the list are pork rinds, also known as chicharrones. These satisfying snacks are made from fried pork skins and are naturally low in carbs, offering a great source of fat, perfect for keto enthusiasts. And guess what? They have 0 carbs. For a healthier alternative, consider trying kale chips. They're made by baking fresh kale leaves, which are easy to prepare and can be enhanced with a variety of seasonings. A cup of these crispy treats comes in at about 3 grams of net carbs, making them a great choice for your snack cravings. Another option is zucchini chips. Thinly sliced zucchini rounds baked to crispy perfection can serve as an excellent snack too. Once again, you can spice them up with your favorite seasonings. And the carb content? Approximately 2 grams of net carbs per cup. Last but not least, let's not forget about avocado chips. These creamy, crunchy options can offer a satisfying chip experience without the guilt. So, the next time you're reaching for a crunchy snack on your keto journey, remember there are several delicious alternatives that won't derail your progress. Embrace these options, satisfy your cravings, and keep your keto journey on track. Avocado chips are a tasty choice for keto lovers. Made from mashed avocado, cheese, and seasonings, they're both crispy and healthy, containing only 2 grams of net carbs per serving. For convenience, many brands offer keto-friendly chips like cheese crisps and pork rinds. Just check those labels. Enjoy your snacks mindfully. Practice portion control, pair chips with low-carb dips like guacamole, and keep hydrated. If you're looking for more adaptable ideas, explore personalized keto plans to enhance your journey and achieve your health goals. Happy snacking!